The more you know about the past, the better you are prepared for the future. So let us study about the ancient history of Madhya Pradesh. Hi friends, this is Sourabh Saxena and I welcome you at the online platform of Kalyani IAS Academy, Indore. So let's discuss about the ancient history of Madhya Pradesh. So the ancient history is classified into prehistoric age, protohistoric age and historic age. So let us discuss about the prehistoric age. So when we talk about the prehistoric age, then we do not have any written evidences of this age. So the question arises is, how do we get the information about this age? So we get the information about this age by the tools of stones that has been discovered from the various sites, from the mud utensils, toys, etc. Then when we discuss about the protohistoric age, then we have written evidences of this period, but they are undeciphered. हम उनको आज तक पढ़ नहीं सके हैं. If I give the example of, then the best example can be given is of the Indus Valley civilization. So the script of Indus Valley civilization was pictographic, or we can say Bostophedon, which was written from right to left and then left to right. It is still undeciphered. Then moving ahead to historic age, so we have written evidences of this age and they are legible or readable also. So we have various literary sources available with us, we have archaeological evidences with us, we have account of foreign travelers such as Huan Shang, Fai Han, etc. So this is all about the ancient history of Madhya Pradesh. The prehistoric age is further classified into Stone Age and Chalcolithic Age, which dates between 5000 BC to 700 BC. The Stone Age is further classified into Paleolithic Age, which dates between 2.5 lakhs to 10,000 BC. Then comes our Mesolithic Age, which dates between 10,000 BC to 5500 BC. And then comes Neolithic Age, which dates between 5500 BC to 3000 BC. So this is the classification of prehistoric age. So now let us discuss about the Paleolithic period also. So on the basis of the stone tools used by the ancient human and the climatic changes that has been taken place in that period, it has been further classified into the lower Paleolithic period, the middle Paleolithic period and the upper Paleolithic period. So the lower Paleolithic period, it dates between 2.5 lakh BC to 1 lakh BC. Middle Paleolithic period dates between 1 lakh BC to 40,000 BC, whereas the upper Paleolithic period dates between 40,000 BC to 10,000 BC. So this is about the Paleolithic period. If we talk about the Narmada Valley of Madhya Pradesh, then it has a very significant place in the history of Madhya Pradesh, since the largest number of evidences has been obtained from the site of this valley during the various excavations done by the archaeologists such as H.D. Sankalya, Mac Brown, R.B. Joshi, B. Bilal, etc. Apart from this, if we talk about the region between Amarkantak to Hoshangabad, then we have evidences related to mammalian animals also. If I talk about D. Terra Peterson, then during their excavations, they have the evidences of X also. If I talk about P. Khatri, then he got the evidences of various tools and aches also. Apart from this, the Supekar, during the excavations, he got the evidences such as he had 862 tools from Mahadev Piparia. Then, other than this, the very important question arises that from Hatonora, which is in the region of Sihor, we got the human cranium, which was named as Narmadensis. My dear friend, please remember that the cranium which we got from Hathnora, it has been renamed as Narmadensis. So the excavation was done by Arun Sonakia at this site. So this is about the Narmada Valley. After Narmada Valley, let us talk about the Son Valley also. So Son Valley of Madhya Pradesh, it has also a very important place in the history of Madhya Pradesh. So the excavation work at Son Valley was done by Nisar Ahmad, and around 25 places have been excavated at this site. So Paleolithic tools have been discovered in the valley of Son itself. So this is about the Son Valley of Madhya Pradesh. So other than Narmada and Son Valley, we have a few other sites where excavation work has been done and the Paleolithic tools have been discovered from these sites. These sites are Gwalior, Satna and Rewa and Mandla. So the excavator at Gwalior was Mr. B.B. Lal, whereas the excavator at Satna and Rewa was G.R. Sharma, and at Mandla the archaeologist or excavator was Mr. Supekar. So from all these sites we have discovered various Paleolithic tools. So now let us discuss about the Mesolithic period also. So we get the very first information about the Mesolithic period by C.L. Carlyle in the year 1867 itself. The various prominent sites discovered related to the Mesolithic period were Bagh caves, Adamgarh caves and Bhimbetka caves. Now let us discuss one by one. Now if we talk about Bagh caves, then they are located in Dhar district on the bank of river Baghin. From this site, the tools of Middle Paleolithic times were discovered. Moving ahead, if we talk about Adamgarh caves, then they were discovered by Mr. R.B. Joshi in the year of 1964. This Adamgarh caves, these are located in होशंगाबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट. अब अगर हम बात करें कि आदमगढ़ केव से हमें क्या एविडेंसेस मिले हैं, तो यहां से हमें मानव के साथ कुत्ते के दफनाने के साक्ष्य भी मिले हैं. बरियल ऑफ डॉग अलोंग विद द ह्यूमन अलोंग विद द मैन. तो इससे हमें यह पता पड़ा कि यहां से जो ह्यूमंस थे उनके द्वारा, जो मैन था उसके द्वारा डोमेस्टिकेशन ऑफ एनिमल शुरू किया गया. तो इफ वी सी द फर्स्ट एविडेंस ऑफ डोमेस्टिकेशन ऑफ एनिमल बाय ह्यूमंस, तो हमें इसी साइट से डिस्कवर होता है. एंड ये मैंने आपको बताया था, बरियल ऑफ डॉग अलोंग विद द मैन. नाउ कमिंग ऑन टू द लास्ट साइट ऑफ Mesolithic period, which is known as Bhimbetka caves. So this site, this was discovered by Mr. V.B. Mishra, and these are located in Raisen district. So dear friend, this is about the Mesolithic period of Madhya Pradesh. Now let us discuss about the Neolithic culture also. The very first evidences related to Neolithic culture were obtained from Mehergarh, which is located in Balochistan, Pakistan. If we talk about the sites related to Neolithic culture in Madhya Pradesh, then they are as follows. Number one is Bhopal. The various sites related to Neolithic culture in Bhopal are Shyamla Hills, Manubhan Tekri and Balukashm Hills. Other than Bhopal, we have Damoh also. The Sangrampur Ghati of Damoh is related to the Neolithic culture. Moving ahead, we have the various sites of Jabalpur also, from where we have obtained the evidences of Neolithic culture, which are Beda Ghat, Tilwara Ghat, and if we talk about Lameta Ghat, then the skeletal of Rajasaurus dinosaur have been obtained from this site. Other than Jabalpur, we have Aaron, which is near to Sagar. The tools which have been discovered from this site are scrapers, axes, blades, chisels, etc. So dear friends, this is about the Neolithic culture of Madhya Pradesh. So this is all about my today's lecture. मैं यहाँ पर इस लेक्चर को समाप्त कर रहा हूँ. My next lecture is going to be on Paleolithic Age. तब तक के लिए आप लोग हमारी सीरीज को YouTube पर देखते रहिए, हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए. थैंक यू. नमस्कार.